We hear this question a lot, and it's becoming more common too. A lot of the time, when you hear MDF, you instantly associate it with swelling when in contact with water. However, fear not, every single product we offer on our website in MDF is made using our very best MDF we've been able to source on the market, and it's moisture resistant. Moisture resistant versus waterproof. Moisture resistant MDF is made for use in areas where the moisture content in the air is higher than normal, for instance, an average bathroom. The properties given to the material during the manufacturing process prevent the boards from sucking up moisture that may be present in the air. Moisture resistant doesn't mean waterproof. Now that you know you can use our MDF skirting boards safely in your bathroom, we do have to address another issue. They're not waterproof. Prolonged exposure to water will cause the MDF to swell. For this reason, we wouldn't recommend using MDF skirting boards under these conditions. The same can be said for areas that are prone to flooding. You would see the board swell and distort under these conditions. Priming adds another layer of protection. We always recommend to take our priming option when you order skirting boards from us. As well as making decorating easier, it adds more protection to the boards. Our MDF is already moisture resistant, but a coat of primer will improve upon this. It helps to create a seal against the moisture present in the air. Because we don't prime the back of the boards, we simply don't use as much primer. This helps us to maintain our low priming price and continue to be the cheapest skirting board supplier in regards to priming. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.